Hi, in our case we want to send out a form, but actually do not get all of the form fields on the PDF. So I'll show you what I have here. I have here a form that I create, and you will see that inside the PDF Butler configuration there are a lot of form fields, config types, and they all make form fields in the PDF. So when I sent out the PDF, normally I would use this in Form Butler or in Sign Butler to get people filling in all of those fields, but I might want to reuse the same form to send out via email in certain cases. I've sent out this form via email, and when I would download it, open up the form, you would see that indeed all the form fields are there. But that's not what I want. I want them just removed and keeping only the text on these form fields. Okay, let's see how we go about that. First of all, we can take a look at our Academy, and in the Academy you can search for the word, let's say, flatten, because that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna actually flatten the PDF. That's how the technical term for removing the forms and keeping the text. So in this case we have to create an actionable, and that's gonna be an Apex actionable. You don't have to worry about finding all the details about this. You will see here that you can just copy paste the code, and you can copy paste also the test class. So let's go ahead. I'm going to create a new PDF, a new actionable. I'm going to call it this one over here. Maybe you should remove the name or select another name. So a new Apex class, this is the name, and then I'm going to create. So now I can just go to the Academy and copy the entire text and just say I want to replace it with this text over here. A little bit of nice formatting obviously that we're gonna do, so I'm gonna indent this, and then I'm gonna put this on the next line, and also the accolade to close it off on the next line. Okay, this should work. So now I'm gonna save. Now it's saved, and now I can create the actionable. I'm going to copy over the class because it's sensitive to uppercase and lowercase. You will also already see that I have my pack here, and in my pack I'm going to add a new actionable. The actionable is going to be a class, a run class actionable. I have a lot of actionables here, so okay, this one over here, run class, and then I'm going to say actionable Flatten PDF. Okay, this is the class that I have to run. It's going to be a before actionable, very important. I'm going to activate it obviously, and it's linked to my pack automatically. So make sure it's active, make sure it's before, and then have your class name right here. Cool. Now this is done. That's all that I needed to do. So now it will first indicate to the processor, hey, please flatten out this PDF, remove all the form fields, keep the text, and then send it out for by mail. Let's go back to our opportunity. I can just click the button again. It will now do the actions as I just mentioned, and it will send out the email. Let's take a look. I've already received the email, and in this new email, obviously I have a new document, and if I download this document and open it, you would see that there is no more form fields. Everything is nicely flattened out, but the texts and all the checkboxes that should be checked are all checked. So you send out now a nice PDF that you can immediately use to you can reuse the PDF for forms by sending out for email.